All right, paint correcting the M3 part 1 is officially done. It looks really good. I'm really satisfied with how it came out. Unlike the trunk that I mentioned in my wing repair video, if you happen to catch that video, the trunk was in really bad shape, and I originally had filmed that whole entire paint correction process, and again, if you watch that video, you know I lost all of that footage. So I figured I'd go ahead and film this paint correction. And I also am trying a couple different like filming techniques and stuff. I'm trying to practice for when I don't necessarily have parts, which is kind of why I made today's video. I don't have any parts, and so I have nothing to walk through with you guys. And so some of these like low effort videos, I'm trying to make them pretty vibey and pretty cool and just easy to watch. And so hopefully you enjoyed the last couple videos. Last video where I washed the M3, and today's video where I paint corrected the driver's side. I'm trying some new stuff. I don't know if anybody's digging it or whatever, but I'm liking it. And so let me know in the comments if you like any of what you saw. I got a new piece of camera equipment that I used for the first time in this video. Maybe you could pick up on some of those clips. But anyways, hopefully I'll have some parts coming in soon, and I can get back to just doing traditional work here in the garage and kind of walking you guys through getting this M3 to how I want it to be. So yeah, if you enjoyed today's video at all, I'd appreciate it if you liked, comment, subscribed if you're into that, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.